Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Saisha's Tech. My name is Amogh Kaliwal. If you are new to my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. In the last few videos, we understood what is data science, application of data science, data pre-processing steps using R for model building and so on. In today's video, we will kickstart with the basic concepts of statistics. Initially, we will start with the definition of statistics, then the types of the statistics like inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. Then we will also understand some of the key common terms of statistics like population, samples. Thereafter, we will also learn some of the sampling techniques in data. Let us understand the definitions of statistics and data. Statistic means gathering the required data, describing that required data and analyzing the data. Now, what does data mean here? Data means the information which is gathered or collected for a particular group. For example, the pollution levels of different cities in India or the number of COVID-19 cases which were collected around the world. So, these are some of the examples of data. Let us understand the different types of statistics. There are two types of statistics. One is descriptive type of statistics and another is inferential statistics. Descriptive type of statistics gathers, sorts and summarizes the data from the sample. And the inferential statistics utilizes the descriptive statistics data and infers to a conclusion. For example, from a phone survey, 25% of females do not like action movies. For descriptive statistics, 17% of the students opt for engineering after 12th. Here, 25% represents the inferred conclusion from the descriptive analysis, whereas 17% provides us the information or the summary of the data sample. These are the types of statistics. Let us understand some of the common keywords in statistics, that is population and sample. Population, it is a particular group of interest. Sample, it is a subset of a population from the collected data. Examples of population: all the people living in Bangalore, all the males in the world. Similarly, examples of sample: if we consider Bangalore as an entity, then Electronic City would be a sample of Bangalore. Diagrammatically, population would be all the people, and similarly, sample would be a part of population. Now, let us understand different sampling techniques. There are three main types of sampling techniques. One, random type of sampling. Two, clustered type of sampling. Third, stratified type of sampling technique. Random type of sampling technique. Here, there is equal probability of choosing an element. Example, if you put all the names of the employees into a hat and randomly pick up a name, that type of choosing is called as random sampling. In cluster type of sampling, you divide the data into groups or clusters and choose from each clusters. Here, dividing of the data into groups is mainly done through geographical conditions. Example, if you divide the map of India into different zones like North region, West region, South region, East region and Central, and choose samples from each of the regions, then that type of sampling is called as cluster type of sampling technique. Similarly, in stratified sampling, you divide the data into stratas. Here strata is not similar to geographical or clustering type of technique. Here strata is a characteristics type of dividing data. For example, if you consider the population of India and you divide them into male and female, that type of division is called as strata type of characteristics. Here you divide the data into stratas and then choose from each strata. That is, after dividing the population into male and female, choosing from each of the groups is known as stratified type of sampling. These are some of the sampling techniques.